Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so today we're going to do a podcast and talking about our future goals. This is the important topic that we should to talk because we will discuss about our goals toward this life and how to get to the success. Okay, but before we go to the deep conversation between us, please let us to introduce ourselves first. Okay, maybe I'm gonna be the first. Okay, hi everyone. I am Muhajir Nurhak. I am from Majalengka and my department is Arabic Education. Well, next I will choose M. Sultan Arizik. Please either introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Sultan Arizik. I'm from Bandung. My department Management of Islamic Education.
Okay, thank you. Maybe next, please introduce yourself, Mrs. Meisha.
Okay, my name is Meisha Sanya Salsabila. I'm from Garut and my department is Islamic Guidance and Counseling.
Well, thanks. Next, Mr. Muhammad Jalaluddin, please introduce yourself.
Halo, my name is Muhammad Jalaluddin. I'm from in Bogor. My department Arabic Education. Thank you.
Well, thank you. And the last one, Mrs. Mita Al-Fauzia, please introduce yourself.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Mita Fauzah. I'm from Bandung and my department is Management of Islamic Education. Thank you.
Okay, thanks all. So thanks for your introduction. Now let's just start our conversation about our future goals. Here I have 4 until 5 questions about our future goals. So everyone should ask the question one by one. Okay, the first question, what are you going to do after graduating from a university? So the first one that will answer, I think, Mrs. Meisha.
Okay, I will answer question number 1. I think I will go to find a job that matches the majors I took in the university. I want to earn and raise a lot of money for my own enjoyment and for future life savings. I also want to use the money that earned for my job to buy something valuable for my family. It's great to have a lot of money from my hard work. Thank you.
Well, that's great. Thanks, Mrs. Meisha. Okay, next, Mr. Sultan, please answer.
I'm going to try the police. As for the purpose and reason, I joined the police to maintain security and public order, then enforce the law, provide protection, shelter, and service to the community. Then carry out regulation, guard, escort, and patrol the community and government activities as need. Then organize all activity to ensure security, order, and smooth traffic on the road. Besides that, I will also try to apply for a job at a company if the desire to become a police officer fail.
Okay, if I'm not wrong to hear, do you want to be a policeman, Mr. Sultan? Is it right?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's great. Thank you. Okay, next, Mrs. Mita Al-Fauzia, please answer the question.
Okay, after graduating from university, I want to find a job and make a lot of money for venture capital. And after 25 years old, I want to get married and build a beautiful family and be a good mother, because I think having a good family is the pleasure of the world.
Well, I agree with you. That's a great planning. Okay. Okay, the last one, Mr. Muhammad Jalaluddin, please answer the first question.
Okay, I will answer. what I did after college, of course,
After graduation, okay.
ways to make money with the opportunities that were in front of my eyes. Then actually the money to my family and people who need it. Enough.
Okay, well, thank you. That's right. If we graduated from university, so there must be so many opportunities that we can apply from the job until any opportunities that we can apply on, and it will be things that we look the first after graduation. Okay, if I think I required myself to find a job first before graduation. So I think I need to find a job before graduation. So whenever I graduated, I had a job and it was not hard to find it again after graduation. Beside it, I'll enrich myself with necessary skills that I should have by joining related course after graduation. Okay, that's enough for the first question. Now let's move to the second question. Okay, that is, what kind of job do you dream of? I think if you in the future, what do you want to be, or what the job you want to be? Okay, I think for the first will be Mr. Muhammad Dalaluddin. Okay, please answer the question.
I think for work, maybe I prefer to be an entrepreneur. I will make the teaching profession my critique for the afterlife.
Wow. Okay, I see. You want to be an entrepreneur. I think it seems with me. Okay. Next, Mrs. Mita Alfozia. Please, you answer the question.
Okay, in the future, I want to work in a way that I can do and work that makes me feel comfortable, and I would like to have a job whose operating system is structured. And
Okay.
I also look forward to receive enough, just that.
Okay. Well, I see. Thank you. But before I continue, please, guys. Besides making a conversation with one of you, you can also interact or give some kind of response from your friends' opinion. So you can say great or anything else. Okay, next, I think Mr. Sultan, please answer the second question.
The job I dream of is like an entrepreneur, where we are not bound by time to work. We are able to determine our own time to start a job. Besides that, being an entrepreneur has its own adrenaline.
Wow, that's good. Yes, I agree because entrepreneur need big adrenaline to do. Okay, the last one, Mrs. Maisha. Okay.
Okay, I have two job dreams. First, I want to be a novelist because I like reading novels of any genre. And second, I also want to be a counselor, which is according to the majors that I take in university. And being a counselor is also a good thing because it can help anyone to recover from their mental illness.
Wow, that's good. Thank you. Okay, if myself, I dream to be a lecturer also as an entrepreneur. Because why? I think becoming a lecturer is a place for me to keep learning and sharing about much of knowledge, giving a contribution to academic world, and also making better the next graduation of this country. Well, that's enough for the second question. Now let's move to the third question. What kind of dream do you want to have in the future? What kind of dream do you want to have in the future? Well, this is the basic question, but I think it's hard to answer. Okay, the first one I think will answer Mrs. Meisha.
There are so many dreams that I want to do. I want to find a job, better job for a better life. I want to travel to any country, take my family for Hajj, go and stay long to my dream country, and many more. And to make my dream come true, of course, I need to go work first and earn much money. What a beautiful dreams. Thank you.
Yeah, much money is our goals, because much money is the key to have happiness life. Okay, the second answer I think from Mr. Sultan, please.
The dream that I want to realize is to be able to make my parents happy, then have a good family, then have a permanent job, and be able to get both parents to go to Haji.
Mashallah. That's the glory goals. Okay, the third one, Mr. Muhammad Jalaluddin, please answer.
Okay, my dream ahead is to be a rich and humble person, to be able to help those who are under us, because money the most powerful way to help our brothers and sisters, and I can defend our religion with the money we have.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Thank you. The next one, Mrs. Mita, please answer.
Okay, my dream is simple. I have dream of a peaceful family, a good family, and a good husband. Then live a lot of money and live hearty life. I think having a happy family is perfect happiness, because family is where we come home, and if we have a happy family and support everything, our success is easy, and our sustenance make it easier.
Okay, I
Enough.
see that. Okay, it's incredible and great. But in my opinion, I think wife. I should say that wife, home, and the position must be the best one that everyone wants to have. So do I. I dare myself to marry before 26 years old and have my own home and car before 30 years old. Furthermore, I plan to have 3 kids that will make my life and my wife's life colorful, and also that will make include my life colorful and fun. And one day, I dream of traveling abroad with my family, including my wife, my children, my brother, and also her parents. Okay, guys. You all did great of our dreams. I hope our dreams gonna become true one day, and keep struggling and keep hoping, and don't forget to pray. Okay, we move to the fourth question. If you had the chance, which country would you like to live in the future, and why? Okay, the first one that will answer, I think, is Mr. Muhammad Jalaluddin. Please answer. I'm sorry, you're still mute.
If I have the opportunity to live in another country, there are 2 countries I want to live in. The first, Mecca. Mecca, and second New Zealand, because Mecca is the largest Islamic country in the world, and the main history of Islam is where it is real. The second for New Zealand, a country that is beautiful with its nature and cleanliness, and the welfare of its people is maintained, and people who don't work are fined by the state for being so prosperous. I think enough.
Okay, that's a great country, Mecca and New Zealand. That's a glory place. Next one, Miss Meisha Sania Salsabila. Please answer.
First, I think I will not waste the chance. So if there is any chance, I will want to live in Canada or South Korea. I want to live in Canada because there is a freedom country, and the Canadian people are also kind and humble to anyone. And for South Korea itself, it is because I like their culture and their music. Their music has probably been a part of my life all along. That's why I wanted to try living in Canada and South Korea. Thank you.
That's amazing, right? Okay. The next one, Miss Mita Alfozia.
Okay, if I have an opportunity in my future, I want to stay in Singapore because Singapore is very orderly and the economy is booming. But I think I would be happier if I stay in Indonesia.
Wow.
Because Indonesia in my birthplace and where I meet with my big family.
Okay, I see. It's a great answer. Okay. Okay, the last one, Mr. Sultan. Please answer the question.
I like to live country Saudi Arabia, especially the city of Mecca and Medina, because this area are the center of development of the Islamic religion. Therefore, I want to learn a lot about Islam in a place where Islam is itself thrive.
Okay, that's great places. Since we know that we are live in the ending of the time, so Mecca and Medina is the right place to live. But if I had the opportunity to live, I want to live in United Arab Emirates, or we can say it UAE, and there is nine countries there, including Dubai and Sharjah and others. Why? Because that country, the balance between English and Arabic is really great. So everywhere we can hear anyone talking with Arabic or even with English. So I really love both of the language. So I want to live in that country. And besides this, before I accepted at this university, I had a dream to study abroad there, but it was not my luck yet. And so if one day I have a chance, I want to live there and feel their amazing city, amazing language, luxury, and culture, if so. Okay, well, guys, we are arrived to the last of our conversation here. So I hope our future goals gonna be the truth one day. So from now, we can start to striving for excellence, and from now we can struggling to reach our goals, to reach our dream by studying with heart and or not making lazy and anytime, and just learn and share, and don't forget to pray to our God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Well, guys, thanks for your attention and for your answer. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.